What's up YouTube? Today I will show you how you can get Arceus Roblox mod menu. So guys, you will get a ton of awesome features. One of the best features is the Robux for zero. So guys, if something like this interests you, stick till the end of this video. So guys, Arceus Roblox is basically the modded version of the app, and it works guys for both iOS and Android. So it is really crazy. So if something like this interests you, just stick till the very end, and let's go to my table and I will show everything. Let's start guys. So guys, here it is, Arceus Roblox. So guys, it is the modded app, and you will have the mod menu, so you can do totally the same things as in the regular Roblox app. The only difference is that you will have the mod menu, and you will have tons of cool features. The best one is of course free Robux. So guys, let's open it up and show you how it looks in practice. So let's go here. As you can see, I have this Arceus mod. All you have to do is to simply click on it and it will open up. So guys, as you can see, I have features like speed hack, B tools, and this one, the last one, is of course the most interesting one. So let's simply click on it, and now guys, when I click go here, and boom, this opened up. So as you can see, this is my balance right now, around 200 Robux, and boom, as you can see guys, I clicked on the Robux and it's now loading like crazy. So you can go ahead guys and buy anything I want in Robux without spending a dime, which is so awesome. So guys, let me close this and then open it up again, just so you can see it's real. So guys, if you want to do something like this, all you have to do is to stick till the very end. So guys, to get this Arceus Roblox modded app, the first thing we need to do is to prepare a mobile device for the installation. So guys, if you're iOS, head over to settings. If you're Android guys, you need to prepare a mobile device. You can skip to the part where I show you from where to get Arceus Roblox from. So guys, if you're iOS, simply head over to the general, then background app refresh, and make sure guys that it is turned on for Wi-Fi and mobile data. Okay guys, now I have to do a couple more things, so just follow me. So guys, you need to find the battery settings, here it is, and make sure guys that the low power mode is turned off. So guys, you'll know when it's on because the battery color will be yellow, so just make sure guys it is turned off. So guys, now once we did this, I have one last thing to do. So head over to the general guys, then go to the about, and make sure guys that your software version or the iOS version is iOS 12 and above. So as you can see, mine is 15.4.1, which means I'm good to go. So guys, now we successfully prepare a mobile device for the installation of the Arceus Roblox mod menu. All you have to do guys now is to simply head over to the pinned comments. There will be the rest of this video. Unfortunately guys, cannot show everything in this video because our Roblox team will ban this video. They don't want you to troll other players with it, but you know, if you want to do it, you can do it. So guys, just head over to the pinned comments. I'll leave a like on this video guys if this Arceus Roblox mod menu worked. I'm out, bye.